Hi, everyone. Today we will see how to send a message to a user. First of all, open User Profile. Click on here to initiate the chat, and a chat window will open. Type your message in the text input field. After composing your message, click here to send your message to the user. From here you can send a sticker, GIF, and uploaded images as the messages. When you send a primary message, that user will receive a notification. If that user accepts the message request, your conversation will start from that moment. If that user declines the message request, you cannot send them a message until the user accepts the request. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe the button and turn on the notification bell. See you soon.